Hello, hello. It's May. The months are just whizzing by now. I was really struggling trying to come up with a theme for my bullet journal this month. I kind of like the idea of baking. And then I was looking through my recent themes, and the one that I really enjoyed the most was probably the minimalist monochrome, very simple theme I did back in March. So to recreate that vibe, I've chosen a combination of baking and simple line drawings. Big fan of vertical monthly spreads, I've realised. They give me more room to write than a calendar view, completely functional for its purpose, and I love the way it looks. It's still only the second month I'm trying a mood tracker. I don't quite know yet how I feel about them, but I'm enjoying the creative process in designing how to represent it. To fit in with the baking theme, my mood tracker this month is a dangerously towering layer cake. I'm going to colour in each round of sponge, I suppose, depending on how I feel that day. Taking a quick break to choose another podcast to listen to. My latest binge listen is Crime Junkie. The next page I'm going to create is a blank one that serves as the brain dump. You'll notice I'm leaving one side blank in each of these spreads. That's not wasted paper. I am going to come back to do something else to them later. And here's what I meant when I said that I would be filling the blank pages. I've written out and illustrated 3 baking recipes. We've got rhubarb crumble, speculous banana bread, and chocolate and beetroot brownies. I'm using my Tombow dual brush pens to create a colour code for my mood tracker, plus colouring the chocolate frosting that goes between each layer. And now we're ready for the flip through. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely May. Bye.